Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to show an interesting feature which has been released in WhatsApp. It's called Chat with AI. You see this Chat with AI in WhatsApp. So this is a new functionality that has been recently launched. So this is AI Studio. Within that, you can see various chatbots. So as per Meta's vision, they want to add various chatbots into systems. So you would have seen AI Studio in Instagram also. So now they have added AI Studio in WhatsApp. This will allow you to chat with various popular AI characters and various other characters, just like you chat with normal human beings. So if you see here, there are popular AI characters. Are you awkward? Accused game. Ayushi. Every solutions for you. This is a chatbot. Now if you see, this is another chatbot. So there is advice and connection. There is virtual girlfriend. So spreading love and light. So reflecting your thoughts. Pop culture. If you see, there is Ray Skywalker, which is a AI character. So if you look at it, view all, you will see a lot more. So if you look at anime, you see Naruto, Nima. In gaming, you will see Mommy Moxie racing tiny humans one smile at a time. So many other characters like this. So we will take one of the character and see how we will interact with that. So just like Superman, I see something called Supergirl. So let's look at Ayushi. Every solutions for you. Okay, so this is Ayushi. So hello, I am Ayushi, your one-stop solution for all your questions and problems. What's on your mind today? So that's what he's asking me. So struggling to manage stress, any tips? What are the benefits of meditation? Best way to boost my immune system? Okay, let's start with this. Okay, I'm asking Ayushi, what is the best way to boost my immune system? So Ayushi has come up with the following suggestions. So you see here. So I can say I am suffering from a breakup. I am suffering from a breakup. Okay, so I have. So healing takes time. What's been going through your mind since the breakup? I'm saying I am sad. So it's interacting with you just like you interact with any other normal person. So it's asking you a question, what was it about this person that made them so special to you? Sharing about them might help you process your emotions. So what was this? So this person was good. Was good and kind. So I'm just making up something here. So let's see. Okay, kindness is a beautiful quality in someone. Did that kindness make you feel seen and loved in ways others haven't? Yeah. So let me tell that. Okay, so their kindness touched your heart deeply. Are you feeling like you lost not just the person but also that feeling they gave you? Yeah. Okay, let's see. So what's one memory of them showing kindness that you treasure the most? Their love for animals. So let's see how the conversation is being built. So okay, so their compassion extended beyond people to all living beings. Did you bond with them over animal encounters or rescues? No. So I'll say no. So just knowing they care deeply about animals was enough to endear them to you. Does their love for animals make you want to do something kind for animals in their memory? No. So you look at how it is building up all this conversation. Their love for animals still feels like a part of who they were to you. Does missing them feel overwhelming right now? Then I say no. No, I'm not feeling missing. It's more of a general like, does that feeling come up at a specific times of the day or in certain places that remind you of them? I'll say while listening to certain songs. Okay. Music can be such a powerful trigger for memories. Are these songs you both used to listen together? Yes. So these songs are forever linked to your memories of them. Do you find yourself replaying memories of your time together when these songs come on? So I'm asking you for an advice. Do you suggest not to play the songs? So it is easy for me. So let me ask this question. So let me put it as a question mark and ask. So if you see here, having those songs for a while might help soften the ache. Would you like to create a new playlist together to explore different emotions and gradually move forward? Yeah. So now it's helping you create a playlist that start with calming songs to process. What kind of music genres? I like Bollywood. Romantic songs. Okay, so now it's helping me build a playlist of Bollywood romantic songs that would calm me. So we'll transfer the genre for you. Let's start with Bollywood songs that are calming and interesting. Kal Ho Na Ho from Kal Ho Na song. Kaise Hua from Kabir Singh. But avoid the romantic ones that remind you of your ex for now. Then we can gradually move to uplifting ones like Apna Time Aayega, Gully Boy. How does that sound? So see how the conversation is being built by this AI powered tool. So in this way you will be able to find different AI agents. So it's going to change the chatting landscape altogether. So now that in my personal opinion, Meta in Facebook has lost a lot of audience. When Facebook was launched initially, there were a lot of active users. So the users are reducing day by day, the active users. So now to bring back the activity back in Facebook, they're trying to introduce such AI agents so that people will interact with them more. There will be more engagement that will drive more value to their platform and hence increase their shareholder value. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.